What up, Snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, today I am coming at you with a hot wing mukbang, homemade style. You guys, I am using hot sauce Shero. Guys, check it out. She has 4 hot sauce flavors. She also has a lychee flavor, but I do not do lychee, so I told her don't even send that one. Okay. Guys, as I eat the food, I'll tell you the flavor. Let's snack. All right, and I got some ranch. I'm gonna eat from the back. I got some ranch, even though I ain't want the ranch, y'all. I prefer blue cheese, but your girl was slacking. Okay, so y'all, I just ate some of the red chili peach. Oh my gosh. Okay, and today, y'all, in our Snackies cup, we're gonna have water. Okay, in this red chili peach, it is peach, apple cider vinegar, red hot chilies, scotch bonnet pepper, brown sugar, honey, and onion and salt. Oh no. Y'all, if we finish this in enough time, I also got, I don't even get that stuff in my hair. Dessert. Oh yeah. So I just made traditional hot wings with hot sauce and butter, but I use I'm sorry, y'all, my hair, I'm going through it with my hair, y'all. I use unsalted butter. Ooh, I got my reusable cubes today, y'all. They on deck today. I wonder if I could smooch. Okay, so on to, I think, let's taste it. I think this is the pineapple one. This is the Pina jalapeno, which has pineapple, apple cider vinegar, jalapeno pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, filtered water, onion, garlic, lime juice, cilantro, and salt. Y'all, I love pineapples. So I think the pineapple so far is my favorite, but I also love peach. Let's take a sip. Okay, wait, let's. Sip a little water, y'all. Come on, ice cubes. Y'all, this hot sauce hot. Okay. All right, now y'all, this is the guava lava. Guava lava has guava puree, apple cider vinegar, filtered water, scotch bonnet pepper, brown sugar, onion, ginger root. And I like me some ginger now. Sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and salt. And none of these are watery. These are good thick hot sauces. Matter of fact, y'all know me have for information down below in the description box, but I'm gonna put her Twitter handle, her Instagram handle on the screen right now. I forgot to throw this away. Y'all know I ain't no big fan of chicken, but sis is enjoying all of this. I should put my hand up on this because it's just getting everywhere. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all, have I wiped my mouth? Because I think I'm going to also use this video as the... Nah, I ain't going to do that. I don't know if I wipe my mouth. There's no wipe your mouth challenge. Y'all seen that? This peach Fido. Y'all want to taste it? Ooh. Oh yeah. And if y'all in Fort Lauderdale, Miami area, heck, even Palm Beach. I don't know who in Palm Beach, but I know I got some people that's in Fort Lauderdale in Miami. Y'all, she's at the farm. She's at the farmer market, the Yellow Green Farmers Market. They're open every weekend, and she be there. And they be singing homemade hot sauce, homemade hot sauce. Y'all know I be at the farmers market, and I saw her out there selling her hot sauce, and I was like, I'm gonna try that one of these days. And she started following me on Insta. Y'all go hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram handle is the exact same. SHAI.snacks. Oh, this pineapple is so good. Y'all want to taste some pineapple? Here y'all go. Ain't it good? It's bomb diggity. But she started following me on Instagram, and then she reached out, and she was like, I would love if you could review my hot sauce. And I'm like, bet. I was familiar with her company anyways, because I saw it at the farmers market. It's so hard biting around them doggone bones. Oh, I got in my eye. Oh my god. Now she said this hot sauce is good on anything. Chicken, tacos. I was gonna do it with tacos, y'all. But my mama convinced me to do it on chicken. She said make hot wings with it. And I must admit, I am definitely not disappointed. Y'all, I'm so happy with this decision. Y'all, Bella behaving today. I think I got the temp that I want her at worked out. Yo, I just realized my last 2 videos, I ain't had no topic. I'm sorry, guys. It's that good. Make me want to slap my mama. And she also sent me a thank you card too, guys. Like, it was just saying thank you for your order and for agreeing to do the reviews on my sauces. I really look forward to seeing what you think. Please be sure to tag me at Hot Sauce Shero. Ooh, I think that last one kind of got to me, y'all. That last ooh, that gotta be the Scotch Bonnet. Wasn't it Scotch Bonnet in that peach? I mean, in that guava? Yup. That Scotch Bonnet handled me. It made me, ooh. Y'all, I'm sorry. This hair was supposed to be wavy, y'all. Child. Oops. Supposed to be waving. Because I had it in some braids. What am I doing? Oh, I'm eating mango. I'm talking about mango. Oh, I wonder if she's gonna come up with a mango. I would be so here for it. For a mango flavored hot sauce. Mango infused. See, chicken ain't for me. I'm trying to bite the chicken off. And I'm biting on the doggone bone. Like, see, just bite the chicken. I had fried this chicken hard, but what had happened was I left it in the hot sauce for too long. The hot sauce the wing sauce. Felt like I left it in there too long, because you know your wing sauce, you have a whole bunch of it. Woo! I'm gonna eat one more, y'all. Oh, we're gonna cut this video short. The girl is full. And guess what? Mike gets to taste it. I'm sorry, y'all. Feel like my nose was starting to run. Girl. Takara. Takara. Get her. Boo. I love this. I think I will buy this solely for making hot wings if I ate hot wings a lot. Solely for making hot wings. Y'all, please go. She does have a website. I'm just telling the people that's in South Florida. So go check her out because they can get it in person. She got a website. She ships. So this hot sauce is like $6 a bottle. And it's worth every penny. The flavors. My God. Tasting to you. My first low carb meal. Y'all go check out Tasting Till. She's just hit 1,000 on Wednesday, I think. And she's already 2 days after, so 2 days later she was at 1,400. And she got to collab with Zaddy Chomp Chomp. Talk about bomb.com. Talk about having a bomb week. But y'all, thank you so very much for snacking with your girl Shay. Please do not, don't sleep on this, y'all. Do not sleep on this hot sauce, okay? My favorite is definitely the Pina jalapeno. These made bomb behind chicken wings, and y'all already know how I feel about chicken, so you know your girl don't have nothing to lose, okay? Y'all see me murk this chicken. Y'all saw it. Y'all, I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Get this video out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subbies. Come on, y'all. We need more people on our team. I love y'all again, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.